Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit us on Patreon. Today we're going to draw A.J. Brown, superstar wide receiver for the Philadelphia Eagles. A.J. Brown played for Ole Miss, that's Mississippi University in college, was drafted in 2019 to the Tennessee Titans, and now we're going to draw a rising superstar, A.J. Brown. Okay, get your dark marker. Could be black, could be dark gray. Find the center of your page up and down, center of your page across, and then go up. So up in this area, we're going to draw the face. Okay, get that pointed tip. A.J. Brown has more of a rounded face, so we're going to start over here on the left side. Big round cheeks to a chin. Up like so, and we'll draw a couple of ears. 1, 2, round up to the head and round down to the ear. Alrighty, cool. So let's draw some eyes here. We're gonna draw some eyes that kind of look like jelly beans, actually. A.J. Brown's kind of a smile, got a big smile, so these are smiley eyes. So go arch, down, up. See how it's kind of a jelly bean? Here we go. Arch, down, up, and over. A nose, down, down, and up. In the eye over here, we're going to do a couple of circles. We're going to leave those circles white. Those are the highlights. We'll do another circle over here. A little arch. Let's color this area in with our dark marker, leaving those circles on the inside of the eye white for the highlight. Okay? See how that looks. Alright, and really quick I'm going to get a light blue, kind of this baby blue color, and we're going to fill in this little section with this blue. This kind of adds some color to our eyes, also represents the reflection of the stadium lights. We'll do a little arch above the eye. These are the eyebrows. He has little eyebrows, so we won't make him too big. Color those in, go up, down to a point, and fill that in. Alright, we'll do the smile over here. Do a line, go down, up, down, up, down, into the edge of that smile. Another line. Come in a little bit on that smile, go down, and connect to the mouth. Color the inside of that mouth with your dark marker. That's the bottom lip. And bring a couple lines out from the nose. A line out. This shows the big smile. And we'll do a little bit of a scribble mark. This is kind of his beard. He has just a little beard and then it gets bigger around the chin. Scribble that up toward the ear. Let's do the hair now. A line that goes out, up, kind of follows the arch of the head, goes down and in. Color that hair in dark. Actually, look, you can get the wider end real quick. Quickly fill in the hair. And we basically have the outline of A.J. Brown's face and head. Let's give him a little bit of a mustache. He's got this little mustache going on. Not too big. Alrighty. A.J. Brown also does these kind of, he paints this black paint under his eyes during the games. So I did an over, down to a point, over, down to a point. Kind of makes it a cross. We'll do a little line. Awesome. So let's do the neck. Let's go down, down, come to a point, like a V. Shoulder pads, one shoulder pad, two shoulder pads, curve, curve, come down to the waist. Alrighty. This is his shirt that he leaves untucked. A couple of pants, legs, 1, 2, and connect. Little ankles. Connect that with an arch, like a U shape. Let's do the big shoes right here. There's the tongue of the shoe, the tongue of the other shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3. Bring the shoe out and down. Come straight across. Stop at about the ankle and connect. Same thing over here. Bring that ankle down. Come straight across. Up and into the shoelace. Okay. Let's have him holding a football. So we'll do this big oversized football. Football shape. Doesn't have to be perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the fingers. We'll do a thumb up here. Over here we'll do his arm. It's kind of disappearing into that football. Bump. Bump. Okay. Now over here let's do his other arm. Let's do a little bump and a big to the elbow. So this is longer, that's shorter. Curve. Here's his thumb. 1, 2, 1, 2. So he's giving a peace sign, right? He just scored a touchdown, he's excited. So let's bring this wrist down and connect to the elbow. Line, line, that's for a sweatband. All right, now let's draw the Eagles. So over here we're gonna have a black stripe on the edge of the jersey. Over here we'll do a black stripe on the edge of the jersey. And around the neck as well. Let's do, you know what? AJ Brown likes to wear a chain. So I'm gonna get a yellow real quick. We're gonna do a chain that comes around here. See how this works. So this will represent kind of his gold chain. And then there's a black this might be a little challenging, but it comes down to a point, goes up. And we'll just kind of color around that chain with our black or dark marker. Doesn't have to be perfect, never is. We're just having a good time, drawing some cool athletes. In this case, AJ Brown, sports character for the Philadelphia Eagles, having a great year with quarterback Jalen Hurts. So if you're an Eagles fan, let's hear it in the comments or follow us on TikTok, Instagram, let us know. Now right here, let's do a number 11. So here we go. Line, down on an angle, over, up, down, over, up. We'll do the same thing. Angle down, over, up, down. Bring that across. All right, there's your number 11. Now, We're gonna go around this with our kind of a thicker black outline on the number. Kind of widen those outlines. Okay, and then down here we're gonna do a black stripe, black stripe. I like to start wide and then come down to a point. We're gonna get the green, our Eagles green really quick, and follow this with a green stripe. And now we're gonna color this jersey green. We're gonna fill in the flesh colors, football color, leave the pants white, we'll leave the cleats white with a green stripe, and that will be A.J. Brown, Philadelphia Eagles superstar. Thanks for drawing with us. We're gonna fast forward now. Let us know who you'd like to see next. Please subscribe and check out the links in our description below for different markers that we use, different supplies we use. Feel free to purchase using those links. We appreciate it. Fast forward now.